Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, battery health data, and background app permissions. First, kill obvious drains, toggle off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not needed, close misbehaving apps from the recent list, and enable system low power mode. Once done, reduce screen brightness and set an adaptive brightness cap. This lowers peak draw and prevents runaway brightness cycles. Make sure location is set to battery saving and limit push sync for email and social accounts to conserve steady background pull. Now move into more detailed execution. Inspect the system battery graph and identify apps with spikes, then force background restriction or uninstall borderline culprits. You should change sync frequencies to longer intervals and restrict auto updates on cellular to reduce periodic wake-ups. Once done, switch to dark mode where OLED helps, replace live wallpapers with static images, and remove excessive widgets. Also, update firmware and apps on Wi-Fi to get efficiency fixes. These system updates often include background task improvements. Finish by locking in your new routine. Apply all changes, restart the device, and charge it fully to solidify system recalibration. Then observe idle drain for 24-48 hours and iterate. If a single app still causes wake locks, clear its cache or reinstall it. Make sure to test in safe mode to isolate system versus app causes. If battery health is below 80% or you see rapid voltage drops under load, consider a battery replacement to restore usable runtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.